A health alert for students and staff at Leesville Road High School. The principal sent messages out to parents today, letting them know that the Wake County Human Services confirmed a case of whooping cough and in a student there. Now, the department sent letters to the parents saying that their children could have been exposed to pertussis between April 7th and 8th. Early symptoms can run anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks, including a runny nose, low fever, coughing that gets worse over time, and apnea, a pause in breathing in babies.